Welcome back to the Igniting Curiosity in Life Science. Today we will move on to the another very important component of a cell, that is the mitochondria. So here these are the list of the things what we are going to study in this class. Okay. What is a mitochondria? Can you guess? So mitochondria are a very tiny but mighty organelles, okay, mainly found in almost all eukaryotic cells, from plants and animals to the fungi and even most of the protista. Okay, mitochondria are the powerhouse of the cell, okay, converting nutrients from food into energy, that is ATP, needed for daily activities like so many muscle contraction, okay, activities like digestion and all. So in case of the digestion, the energy to break down food, absorb nutrients and transport them throughout the body comes from the mitochondria in the cells of your digestive system. As well as in case of the breathing, mitochondria generate the energy for the diaphragm and other muscles responsible for the continuous action of a breathing. So next we'll move on to the structure of a mitochondria. So you can see that there are mainly the mitochondria surrounded by two membranes. Okay, the outer membrane is smooth and the inner membrane is highly folded into structures called the cristae. These folds increase the surface area, allowing more space for the enzymes that produce what the ATP. Okay, adenosine triphosphate, the energy currency of the cell. Okay, inside the inner membrane lies the mitochondrial matrix, which contains the enzymes. Okay, mitochondrial DNA and ribosomes, making mitochondria semi-autonomous, that is capable of producing some of their own proteins and other functions. Like, so what actually happens inside in the matrix, enzymes help carry out key steps of a cellular respiration, a process that extracts energy from nutrients like the glucose. Okay, meanwhile what happens, proteins in the inner membrane including the ATP synthase enzyme help generate ATP. This entire process is what makes mitochondria the chemical energy converters of the cell. Okay. Next, along with that, these functions, the other functions are also there. That is the calcium storage. So mitochondria absorb and store calcium ions, releasing them when needed for proper cellular communication. So this process is vital for muscle contraction and nerve cell signaling. Okay. Then regulation of cell growth and death. So, by regulating the release of a protein called the cytochrome C, mitochondria play a key role in apoptosis, that is, a programmed cell death. So, this is a normal process that helps the body remove old, damaged, or unhealthy cells. Next is the hormone synthesis. So, mitochondria are mainly involved in the synthesis of a steroid hormones, okay, including estrogen and testosterone. So next is the intercellular communication. So recent research suggests that mitochondria can be transferred between cells to help repair damaged cells and regulate the inflammation. Okay. And here are something fascinating about the mitochondria are not just the static blobs. Okay, in all the living cells, they are constantly moving, changing shape, fusing, and even they are going to dividing. Okay, under a microscope, they form a branched tubular network, adapting to the cell's energy needs in real time. Okay, so this much about today's class. So next time you take a breath. No, remember your mitochondria are hard at work, turning oxygen and food into the energy that keeps every cell in your body alive and active. So this is about today's class. If you enjoyed learning about these microscopic powerhouses, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Igniting Curiosity in Life Science. This is Savita. So see you in the next class. Thank you.